Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to install OpenShop, a minimalistic WordPress theme highly recommended for online stores. This theme has a modern and sleek design. Let's get started now. Open your dashboard. In the menu, click on Appearance. Then click on Add New Theme. Go to the search bar and search for OpenShop. This is our theme here. Click on Install button. After installation, click on Activate. The theme is activated. Here you can see it is asking to install the Hung Companion plugin. So click on Install as we will need it. You can see some more options are here in Appearance. Click on OpenShop Options. Here it is indicating that the Hung Companion is installed and activated. On this page you can see the steps to set up website. If you want to avail premium features, then you need to upgrade the theme. You can upgrade the theme with this button. Moving forward, click on Recommended Plugin. Here you will see all the plugins that will be needed further to import the template. You can install directly from here, but they will be automatically installed during the import of the template. The child theme is also given in case you want to retain your install and functionality while updating the parent theme. In this section, you can see what you will get if you upgrade your theme. You will get some sections and widgets that make a website more attractive. And if you need any help, contact us with this button. You will be redirected to the Contact Us page. The documentation is here if you need help to navigate. Now click on Demo Import and then on Import Demo button. Click on Create My Website. You will see every template here. You can filter the template from here. The locked templates will be unlocked in the Pro theme. You will find templates of cosmetic, fashion, flower, groceries, pizza, etc. To install a template, click on it. Here you can view the full site. You can also view the pages. After all, click on Continue. Click on Build My Website. Now wait for some time. Your website is ready. You can customize the site by click on Customize button. This is Website Customizer. You can update the theme from here also. To open the documentation, click on the View Docs button. From the Layout section, you can explore layouts that come with the theme. You can add or remove any category from the header. There are layout settings for blog, footer and other sections also. From front page sections, you can customize everything you see on the home page, which includes the top slider, product slider, category slider, etc. For demonstration, let's change this top slider image. So click on slide 1 and upload the image. It is uploaded. If you want to change this logo, you can upload this from the same section. And you can give it title, description and link. When you click on any section, the section will appear on your screen and you can make suitable changes. As I am adding another category to this section, as there is a ribbon showing, you can change it too. From total color and busy options, you can change the colors of theme and header. You can select different colors for theme, link, hover, text and title. If you want to set up an image in the background, you can also do so. This is the preloader section. Let me show you the preloader first. This is preloader and you can change it from here. If you have social media handles, then you can enter the links and promote from here. A menu section is given that helps you customize the menus. You can add, edit, remove or reorder the menus from here. And these are widgets and WooCommerce. From WooCommerce, you can access the styles and pages made with WooCommerce and customize them. After making changes and customization, save with the button and go back. Now click on View Website. This is our website and we can see the changes we have done recently with the help of customizer. Let's review the site. You can see sidebar along with product and category sections on the homepage also. The footer is divided into 3 parts. There is a short introduction of the website. There are tag clouds and address. On the shop page, all products are showcased and you can compare them with each other and add them to cart. If you go to the blog page, you will see all the blogs along with their featured images very well organized. From the contact us page, users can contact and discuss the issues and other things with you. From this icon, users can register themselves to your site, and if they are already registered, they can log into your site. This is a cart. If any product is added to cart, it will show here. Users can change the quantity of the products and also go to the checkout page directly from here. This is our search bar and this helps a lot when users want to search for some product on your website. When you write a single word, it shows related searches. On the above header, a welcome note is written and on the right side, social media icons are shown. So this is how you can install the OpenShop and import a template. Thanks for watching.